Okay, so this is Qwanyx. Very simple and slick interface. And I can link. That's it. No big deal. And let's start with a node, only one node. And let's see what Qwanyx can do for you. So here, so it can be anything. You can ask to create a project to organize a party for 7-year-old kids. You can go to the moon. You can plan your next trip. But let's say here, okay, when it's finished, I can just use Control U to paste the project. I put the cursor where I want to put the project and then Control U. But what I want now is to create a picture to illustrate my stuff so it's more pleasant to look at. The layout will be readjusted in real time. For now, it's not the case, but it's not a big deal to do that. And then I change the display. And now it's a bit better. Here are the real task, I should say, because they are the leaf of the graph. So I may change them to task. Of course, you will be able to change them at once. But actually, that's very interesting already. But this is a very simple stuff. What if you have a much more complex graph here to deal with? It doesn't matter you have a lot of things or not. The graph is refreshing very fast. But then here is all my thinking about Qwanyx. It's how I define Qwanyx. I'll ask some question. I just create a new node. Let's see if Qwanyx agree with it. Okay, so here are all the reason. So it says that it could be a good idea already. And then what I will get, and I can show you now some other example of what can be done. Here is the process I use when I create a logo for a TV station in cooperation with a creative, and how this picture was at that time. So you can have many videos on the same page, no problem. You can run them all together and it has no performance issues. Here is something I did using Qwanyx to what are the 7 pillars of human knowledge, reorganize them a bit.
Il y a tellement de choses à savoir dans le monde que personne ne peut tout apprendre. Mais on peut imaginer que tout ce savoir est divisé en 7 grandes parties, comme 7 gros livres dans une bibliothèque.